In the 21st century, used lubricants are generated in every city where cars, machinery and manufacturing equipment are widely used, while the scarcity of fossil fuel is becoming alarming. In view of the perpetual increase of international crude oil prices, recycling used lubricants into green lubricants or reprocessed fuel oil in an environmentally friendly and cost-effective manner has become a sensible option. In 1993, Dunwall acquired and restructured a 10,000 square meters used lubricant re-refinery in Hong Kong. With continuous effort in technological upgrades and implementing innovative business strategies, Dunwall manages to collect and treat more than 85% of used lubricants generated in Hong Kong. By improving the wiped film evaporation process, Dunwall is capable of recycling up to 400,000 gallons of used lubricants per month. And Dunwall has been recognized with many awards for its contribution to society and the environment. Realizing technological limitations and high operating costs in distillation, Dunwall has been exploring and developing alternative technologies from the world since 1996. Today, Dunwall has successfully transformed a vibrating membrane mechanism and developed the world's first Vmat used lubricants recycling technology. A successful used lubricant recycling operation depends on three factors. Firstly, the ability to collect and segregate various types of lubricants. Secondly, efficient and cost-effective technologies available. And thirdly, the ability to market the recycled lubricant products. In considering various recycling technologies available worldwide, such as membrane filtration, distillation with hydrogen finishing, centrifuge, thermal cracking, etc., one has to consider the operating costs, capital investment, engineering complexity, the area required, the ability to handle synthetic-based lubricants, product color, technological limitations, and secondary pollution. Amongst these options, membrane filtration is a relatively simple and cost-effective solution, as long as its inherent fouling issue can be resolved. As the contaminant within used lubricants is of relatively large amounts of particles, and the lubricant is viscous in nature, conventional cross-flow membrane technology has the membrane fouling problem. By adopting Vmat's vibratory shear enhanced process, the intense shear waves generated along the membrane surface repel solids and foulants from the used lubricant and allows clear oil to flow through the membrane pores continuously in just a single pass. This light brown clear oil is a quality fuel oil or an ideal motor oil blending stock for engine lubricants when blended with suitable additive packages. Used lubricant is first stored in the sedimentation tank for preliminary removal of impurities, large solids and wastewater. The heat exchanger increases the temperature of the used lubricant to a maximum of 90 degrees centigrade. Next, a special centrifuge will further remove the viscous material and solid particles. Then the used lubricant will enter the vibrating membrane unit. With just a single pass through the membrane, the used lubricant is filtered into clear oil, which can be decolored through the automatic regenerative clay system to attain a good color of the base oil. Through the programmable logic control PLC system, Vmat can be accessed, controlled and monitored through the internet by this remote support system. Advantages of Vmat: 1. A low temperature. Avoids cracking of lubricant and thus does not carry mercaptan foul odor. 2. A low pressure. Minimizes consumption of electricity and prolongs the useful life of the membrane. 3. Synthetic lubricant. Vmat is capable to handle synthetic-based lubricant that is not preferred by distillation technologies. 4. A small footprint. Occupies only 50 square meters and allows retrofitting in existing premises. And 5. A low-cost return on investment can be less than 2 years. Dunwall's green lubricant is now being supplied to the Hong Kong government, construction industries and utility companies, manufacturers and overseas clients. Behind the successful development of the Vmat system is a strong engineering team, equipped with solid experience in the used lubricant recycling area and powered by strong enthusiasm towards technology advancement. Dunwell's vibrating membrane technology can be applied not only on used lubricant recycling, but also in many applications, such as wastewater treatment, MBR for municipal and poultry wastewater treatment, various chemical recovery, cutting fluid recycling, treatment of landfill leachate, and the filtration of produced water from oil fields. With over 13 years' experience, Dunwell is geared to provide a commercially sensible and technologically effective solution to different clients. On February the 27th, 2006, Dunwell's Vmat system received the Grand Award from the Hong Kong Awards for Industry, Machinery and Equipment Design category. This is the most prestigious award in Hong Kong, recognizing outstanding industrial product design, and is presented by the Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Government. We sincerely look forward to developing our environmental enterprise with overseas partners. So let's join hands to create a better environment for our future.